So first impression of the ride, I like it a lot. It's pretty cool. It's really cheap. 4-door sedan. We got space right there. You can drive it around far distance. Real good gas saver. You can use it for Uber, you can use it for Lyft, for Instacart, any type of delivery driving jobs. Very awesome. A little bit of problems as you see, but it's a quick fixer-upper. Super awesome. It just needs a headlight, pretty much an fender. We're good. The wheel, we gotta fix it also, but I heard it's not that expensive, so that's a good note. We see the mechanical sign right there. Could be because of that. Also could be because we're missing a headlight, obviously. The check engine light right there. It could be a little bit of the transmission, or maybe even the radiator problems, right? I smell a little bit of a leak. There's no leak, but I smell a little bit of like gassing out. So that could be a problem, but it could be like a quick little fix. Now the transmission, it could be a greater problem, but it seems to be running good. It's just a little slow on actually turning gears, right? So we're gonna test drive it a little bit, see what you guys think. But first impression of the ride, I like it a lot. I'm gonna be using it for delivery driving jobs. I'm gonna be using it for even for rentals. I could use this car perfect for rentals. I could drive for long distance and save a lot of gas. 27 miles per gallon, 27 miles per gallon, 32 miles on the highway. So super cool. I got it with a half tank. Awesome. You guys can see it's a half tank right there. I'm testing it out. Well, you guys can see the temperature sign went up, so it might be overheating. Now it was on for quite a while, but when I started driving, it's common that it goes down. Now the thing is that again, it might be the radiator. Again, it got a little damage, so it might be a hose or something, or we gotta put some fluid on it, right? Could be something like that. It lost fluid, so we gotta refill it. Something simple. It doesn't seem to be overheating at all. There's no smoke coming out, but super cool. I like it a lot. Very nice, very comfortable seats. It's just a little dirty. We gotta clean it up, and I think we're gonna make this car last, right? We could probably resell. It costs probably like around 10,000. I'm thinking we could resell it for like 97,000 to salvage. You know, actually for 77,000 miles, I seen some ads on the internet. They go for like 14,000, right? So that's a lot. Fix it up, you sell it, we get good money, right? So a little quick fixer-upper, see what we got going on. Like you guys can see, first impressions, pretty cool. Hope you guys like it, and subscribe, hit the like button, and follow, because we're gonna have a lot more little upgrades for this car, right? Cool. All right, cool. So we're right here. We're gonna go see what's going on. We're gonna test drive it a little bit, see what you guys think. Look at that. We're at 20 miles per hour right now. Very cool, very awesome. It goes pretty fast, and the braking seems to be all right. As you guys can see, the temperature went down. Again, I think it needs coolant, but the mechanical and the check engine light is on. We're gonna check with the computer later on, but we're gonna test drive it right now to see how it is, right? Cool. If you guys like it, we're gonna go a couple miles per hour this road, and it seems to be all right. 30 miles per hour. We're gonna go 40 miles per hour. As you guys can see that, very good. It takes a while to change, but again, that's automatic. Long time driving the car, so it seems pretty cool, right? Very good, right? Awesome, right? What do you guys think? Pretty cool, right? Now, I wasn't ready for the little drive right there. I was checking out the camera, and I got distracted by the honks. But if you guys want sneakers, here's sneakers right there. You guys can check it out. I got you on discount. Remember to follow Saints Kicks on Instagram if you guys want to buy any sneakers. I have them on my page on OfferUp. You get pretty good discounts on any sites that I have. Plus you get $30 off any sneakers on StockX or eBay, right? So it's super cool. Check it out. All right, so we're here again. We're gonna race again. Little race, little acceleration. There we go. We changed. Very nice, very cool. 35 miles per hour. Very cool, right? I like it a lot. Good. All right, here we go again. Check him out. Ford Fiesta. Let's roll. What's going on, people? That's what's up. Ford Fiesta. Here we go. Not bad. Look at the brakes. Good brakes. The brakes are good. Very nice little test drive. Very cool. Awesome. Let's try it out again. Here we go. Let's roll. There goes 0 to probably 35. Not bad. We're good. Transmission is good. Now in the beginning, when I first turned it on, I told you guys it says transmission problems. You gotta get it fixed. There's a common problem with this one. There's the TMC, I think that's what it's called. It's pretty simple fix, or maybe even the transmission is a little dirty or somewhat, right? But we're gonna check it out. It seems to be good. Not bad. I think it's just a hit. Maybe we gotta check it out. Maybe reset the controls. Who knows? Reset the computer. That seems to also be a common problem whenever there's a car accident or there's a new change. It throws it off because, I mean, you have to reset it to the computer from the dealership or something like that, right? But not bad. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Check it out. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Awesome, right? Very cool. So now we're still over here. We're gonna take a drive over there, and that's it. That's pretty much it. If you guys have any comments, leave a comment below. You know, you guys can get a $30 off free gift using my recruiting link down in the description, or just follow me at MoneyDinero10 on Instagram, right? I have a couple of different Instagrams, Saints Kicks for sneakers and MoneyDinero10 for discounts, right? You can always follow me on my original YouTube and my Instagram as well. All right, cool. If you guys any tips or upgrades, let me know in the comments, and I'll reply right away. All right, but for this video, you guys checked it out. Very cool, driving around. The Ford Fiesta seems like a good buy, right? Super awesome. Oh, now we got another light. Damn, what's going on? So it might be something with the coolant. It might come out after all. I haven't turned off the car. I haven't turned off the car because we had to jump up the battery, right? It was there, so I didn't turn it off. I let it keep running, and I don't want to turn it off till I get home because what if the alternator is bad, or there's something wrong with the battery that actually doesn't hold the charge, right? So hopefully we're all good. We're gonna make it home, and to my next video, subscribe and hit the like button. All right, guys, we're right here. We're in the freeway. We're rolling on the freeway. Check it out, check it out. Kind of making some noises. Kind of freaking out. I was going 55 right now. I am going 55. It's going a little faster.